buonasera, and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight, I'm making for you a typical country rustic dessert that you find all over Italy, north to south, a jam crostata. So when you say crostata in Italy, you mean a jam-filled country pie. I start with my butter crust, which is what's used for crostate in Italy, and then you just select your favorite marmalade or jam. I love Bon Maman, which is a French jam, and I love the four fruits. I also love Casa Giulia, which is an Italian jam you can find in the United States. Perhaps you have a favorite jam from your farmer's market that uses local fruits. Utilize whatever you like in the crostata. So all we do is roll out my crostata crust. So all we do is take our marmalade or jam. Sometimes some people like it with more fruit in it. Some people like it with less. I really love the big pieces of fruit in the Bon Maman or the Casa Giulia from Italy. And we just spread it out in the crostata crust, which is a wonderful buttery crust. 1 egg yolk, 1 stick of butter, 1 1/4 cups flour, a little baking soda, baking powder, and that's it. So now what we're going to do is, I rolled out my lattices. So we're going to just place our lattices across the top of the crostata, pinching them in to the crust. On either side, we're going to bake this at 400 for just 30 minutes because all you're doing is making sure that the marmalade becomes firm and that the crostata crust cooks well. That's it. Look at how adorable. If you'd like, you can put a little powdered sugar. I like to put maybe a little egg white and granulated sugar, which gives it a nice sheen as well as a nice crunchy taste. So off to the oven it goes. Perfetto! Buon appetito! Tutti a tavola! Ciao ciao!